High fiber, protein and calcium rich oats recipe is good idea for breakfast. This oats recipe will help you to keep your gut healthy and also improves your immunity. It is easy to make and super healthy. So to start with the recipe, add 1 cup oats in a bowl. I am using here old fashioned rolled oats. Add 3 cups of water and soak for at least 4 to 5 hours. Soaking oats in water reduces phytic acid, allowing your body to better absorb all the essential nutrients. After 4 to 5 hours, drain water from the oats and transfer in a bowl. I have mentioned the list of all the ingredients in the description box below. Add 1 cup low-fat cow milk curd, salt as per taste and mix well. Probiotics present in the curd supports gut health and improves digestion. Heat 1 tablespoon cold pressed sesame oil in a tadka pan or a kadai. Fry 4 to 5 slit cashew nuts until they turn golden brown. Transfer in a bowl and keep aside. Now add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon split bengal gram, half teaspoon split black gram, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 dry red chilli, 1 sprig of curry leaves, half teaspoon crushed ginger, 1 small chopped green chilli, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida. Saute for few seconds and turn off the flame. Pour tempering into the curd oats mixture. Add 1 tablespoon grated carrot and 1 tablespoon fresh coriander leaves. Mix well and serve. Garnish with fried cashew nuts and chopped spring onions. If you like my recipe, share and subscribe to Cooking Art. Thanks for watching.